I really love how it's decorated. Here is the mystery shell, and these are the two characters you might find in the Pearl Surprise. This is Treasure and her little sister. So let's get start opening it. Here it is. Let's put it up. And putting it here. Let's see if there's any details here. So that's the instructions. And let's open it because we already opened the box. And now we're going to open the label Alba Surprise. Here it is! Inside is so marvelous! We're going to unbox by one. And inside is going to be a shell. So 6 pearls. So we're going to open the very first one. There's the shell. Yeah. It's pink and yellow. So let's open the first ball. Ooh, the first ball is a nice shell on the top. So I'm going to put it here. Maybe there's an outfit. And I'm going to put it back into the box. And now the second is like a pearly white shell. This one is so beautiful. It's like a minty turquoise bikini top for Treasure. Gonna put, and next is this like beautiful like greenish shell or something. Ooh. And here's the skirt to match up with this outfit. I'm closing it back. Next is another duplicate of this pearly white ball, and I can see a little bit of a turquoise thing. Wow! That's a beautiful turquoise skirt, which matches this outfit. And I'm just gonna put the pearly white shell back into. And next is another duplicate of this pearly green shell. Woo! And there's flying shoes over there. I really love how it's designed like pom-poms and with white shoes. So I think it matches with both of the outfits. And closing it up. And this pearly white shell, and I can see it a little bit red. So I think this might be the shoe for the red outfit. Oh yeah, it is. Here it is, the red outfit sandals. Closing it, the last pearl. And off. And this is the 5th ball. This is like a shell design because it's Alba Surprise, Pearl Surprise. And you just wait a minute first because I need time to get the water and into this. And then we'll visit all together. Water in our cauldron shell. This is the 5th ball, which is very big. Just put half of the water in the gallon and we're ready to put it. Ah! Here it is! Guys! Oh my gosh! Beware everybody! It's soaking! See? It's so beautiful! Whoa, everybody! Look at this. It's real. I really love it! I can't believe my mom bought it for me! It's turning orange, everybody! see, the turquoise shell began to see because we're gonna open that and unbox Little Treasure and Big Treasure. So really loving this, guys. Look at this shell. It's lovely. It fits into the turquoise shell. I wonder if we have any tattoo or something. I really love this. I might try it again later. It's turning turquoise, everybody. It's turning turquoise. That means that we're going to open it very soon. Just waiting until it fizzes away. I really love it. It's turning more turquoise, everybody. Can't believe it. I really love this. It's my best day ever. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is amazing. It's turning full turquoise. Everybody, you can see it. We'll open it very, very soon. I have to prove it in 3 minutes. So, when we fizz away like this and we found the turquoise shell like this, it says to have a stand there so we can stand our seashell on it. Let's open it. We're just going to open it. After I wash my hands and wash the Falma shell, this is Mr. Shell. This is the display shell where Treasure is gonna stand. Like this. So let's open it up. So here's where you're gonna open it. Wow! It's a new detail of the bag. And it feels like watery. It says Pearl Surprise and have like shell and some pearls. So 1, 2, 3. We have 3 bags. So let's open this one first. It's so big contract, so I think I need a scissor for this. Thank you. Might be, yeah, Treasure. We're gonna unbox Treasure, everybody. Here she is beautifully. Her hair is beautiful and metallic or pink. So her body's on backwards. Here it is. Okay, and now let's put her other bamba. This might be the bottle. Scissors, please. And let's just cut it out. Her bottle is so beautifully designed. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's like this seashell and it says pumped. Am I cutting her hair? Am I cutting her hair? She is just too adorable, everybody. She is like her sister. Little Treasure and Treasure have the perfect sight. Her name is Treasure and this is Little Treasure. They go perfectly together. And now, another part where we need to dress her up. So we're back again and dun, 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 dun. Here comes the Shell Princess, Treasure and her little sister. I love how her bottle is designed. There's 2 clothes. This is the number 1 cloth and it's turquoise with a lovely designing of the beach. And I really love her skin tone color and how her hair shines with metallic. And her little sister is just adorable. Okay, see you later and I'm going to change this into a red cloth with more metallic colors. So wait and stay tuned. Here's the other version of this Princess of the Water. This is Treasure in another clothes. I love how it's like glowing metallic red on, and she have like seashells on her like chest, and I love her shoe because it's sandals, which is beautifully designed as red. And after all, I love her soda water and her hair, you know. And bye guys, and I hope you to stay tuned for the confetti pop video. Bye! Peace out.